Welcome to the channel, and I'm really glad you're here. In this video, we're diving into the world of wooden products, sustainability, and smart ways of working with available materials. This channel is all about sharing ideas, experiences, and inspiration around wood-based work and small business thinking, in a relaxed and practical way. If you enjoy content that mixes creativity, real-life workshop thinking, and long-term value, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about how working with solid wood and reclaimed materials can open doors to affordable, sustainable, and meaningful production. It's not about technical lessons or heavy explanations, but about understanding the mindset behind making better use of what we already have. Whether you're just curious, learning the craft, or thinking about turning skills into income, this video is meant to spark ideas and get you thinking differently as we go along. Make sure you stay with us until the end of the video, because we'll be sharing ideas that can really spark new ways of thinking and working. If you enjoy this kind of content and find it helpful or inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you more creative, practical, and meaningful content. Cost-effective wooden products play a vital role in supporting sustainable business models, particularly in regions where access to raw materials and capital is limited. By focusing on efficient material use, careful planning, and thoughtful design, wooden products can be manufactured in a way that balances affordability with durability. Solid wood and reclaimed materials offer flexibility in production, allowing manufacturers to reduce costs while maintaining product quality. This approach encourages responsible resource management and opens opportunities for small and medium enterprises to compete in local and regional markets. The use of solid wood provides strength, longevity, and natural appeal, making wooden products suitable for repeated use over long periods. When sourced responsibly, solid wood contributes to sustainability by supporting renewable material cycles. At the same time, reclaimed materials help reduce waste by transforming previously used wood into valuable resources. This combination minimizes environmental impact while lowering input costs, which is essential for businesses aiming to remain profitable in competitive markets. Manufacturing wooden products with cost efficiency in mind requires a deep understanding of material behavior and production processes. Proper drying, cutting, and assembly techniques reduce material loss and improve overall efficiency. Reclaimed materials, when carefully selected and prepared, can perform as reliably as new wood. This not only saves money but also builds a business identity centered on sustainability and innovation, which is increasingly valued by consumers. Sustainable wooden product manufacturing also supports local economies by creating employment opportunities across the value chain. From material collection and processing to production and distribution, this approach relies heavily on skilled and semi-skilled labor. By utilizing locally available materials, businesses reduce transportation costs and strengthen community participation. This localized production model enhances economic resilience while promoting environmentally conscious practices. Another important aspect of cost-effective wooden production is adaptability. Manufacturers can adjust designs, dimensions, and finishes based on available materials without compromising functionality. This flexibility is particularly valuable when working with reclaimed resources, which may vary in size and condition. Such adaptability reduces dependency on standardized raw materials and allows continuous production even during supply shortages. Environmental responsibility is a core benefit of manufacturing wooden products from solid and reclaimed materials. By extending the life cycle of wood, businesses help reduce deforestation pressure and landfill waste. This aligns production practices with global sustainability goals while also meeting growing consumer demand for environmentally friendly products. Over time, This commitment to sustainability enhances brand reputation and customer loyalty. Cost control in wooden product manufacturing is not limited to materials alone but also includes energy use, tool efficiency, and labor management. Simple production systems, optimized workflows, and proper tool maintenance can significantly reduce operating expenses. When combined with the use of reclaimed materials, these practices enable businesses to produce high-quality wooden goods at competitive prices. Market acceptance of sustainably manufactured wooden products continues to grow as awareness of environmental issues increases. Consumers are increasingly drawn to products that reflect responsible sourcing and ethical production. Businesses that clearly communicate the sustainable nature of their manufacturing processes gain a competitive advantage, even when operating in price-sensitive markets. Quality assurance remains essential in cost-effective production. Even when using reclaimed materials, proper inspection, treatment, and finishing ensure that final products meet functional and safety expectations. Consistent quality builds trust and reduces the risk of returns or repairs, which can otherwise increase costs and damage business credibility. Long-term sustainability in wooden product manufacturing depends on continuous learning and improvement. Adopting better material recovery methods, improving production efficiency, and training workers contribute to steady growth. Businesses that invest in skill development and process optimization are better positioned to adapt to market changes and resource availability. The integration of traditional knowledge with modern production practices further enhances cost efficiency. Local craftsmanship techniques often emphasize material conservation and durability, which align naturally with sustainable manufacturing principles. When combined with simple modern tools and planning methods, these techniques can significantly improve productivity without increasing costs. In conclusion, cost-effective wooden products manufactured from solid wood and reclaimed materials represent a practical pathway towards sustainable business development. This approach supports environmental conservation, economic viability, and social responsibility simultaneously. By prioritizing efficient resource use, quality production, and adaptability, wooden product manufacturers can build resilient businesses that contribute positively to both local communities and broader sustainability goals. Thank you so much for watching the video and spending your time with us. If you enjoyed the content or found it useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who may be interested. Your support truly means a lot and helps keep this channel growing with more inspiring and practical content.